1. The Wi-Fi signal is too weak. In the Lightburn console, send $Wi-Fi/list APS to query the Wi-Fi list. The number after signal represents the signal strength, with 100 being the strongest. The antenna on the motherboard may be loose. You need to remove the front beam cover of the Ray5 Mini and tighten the antenna. It is also possible that the antenna is broken and needs to be replaced. Two, the frequency band of the router Wi-Fi is 5 GHz instead of 2.4 GHz, and the engraving machine cannot connect to 5 GHz Wi-Fi. 3. The Wi-Fi name or password is incorrect. Check whether the WiFi name and password are entered correctly.